Hello everybody. Here we discuss the concept time and work. This is very useful for aptitude, okay, which is very important concept in competitive exams. Now we go for important formulas. For here the formulas. If a person P can do a piece of work in n days, then P's 1 day work is equal to 1 by n. This means if a person work 5 days to complete a work, then the person's 1 day work is 1 by 5th. That means the person can do 1 by 5th of the work per 1 day. Okay. And next, the second formula, A comma B complete a piece of work together in n days, and A can do it in A days, B can do it in B days, then n is equal to AB by A plus B. That is nothing but 1 by n is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is important formula. This is very useful for very common examples. Okay, these are very commonly asked in competitive exams like SSC and IBPS. Okay, where 1 by n is 1 day work of A comma B working together, and 1 by A is A's 1 day work, and 1 by B is B's 1 day work. Okay, that means nothing but if A comma B works together in 5 days, then 1 by n is nothing but 1 by 5. Okay, in that way. Okay, similarly for 3 persons, 1 by n is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay, in that way we go for formulas, and we can see some examples here. Okay, first example, A can do work in 15 days and B can be in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of work is left is. Okay, now we calculate the 4 days work here for both A comma B. Okay, A's 4 days work is nothing but 4 by 15. That is come from 4 into 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is A's 1 day work. Okay, and similarly B's 4 days work is 4 by 20. That is 4 into 1 by 20. Okay, 1 by 20 is B's 1 day's work. If they work on it together for 4 days, we have to combine the 4 days work of both A comma B. Okay, the fraction of work is 4 by 15 plus 4 by 20, and that is equal to 28 by 60, and that is the answer, that is equal to 7 by 15. But we have to calculate the fraction of the work that left, so the answer is 1 minus 1 by 7, that is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, similarly we have to do the problems like this. Okay, now go to the next example. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone 8 days. A comma B undertook to do it for 3200 with the help of C. They completed the work in 3 days. How much is to pay to C? Okay, here we need to calculate the combined work. Okay, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 is nothing but the 1 day's work of A comma B comma C working together, because in the question they complete the work in 3 days. Okay, and 1 by A is A's 1 day work, 1 by A is B's 1 day work, 1 by C is C's 1 day work. From that A's 1 day's work is 1 by 6, because in the question gives he can complete the work in 6 days, and also B can complete it in the 8 days. So 1 by A is equal to 1 by 6, 1 by B is equal to 1 by 8. So we substitute the 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8, and we don't know the C's days 1 day work. Okay, that is 1 by C. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by 3. From that, 1 by C is equal to 1 by 24. Then for 3 days work, we can find the ratio. Okay, 3 by 6 is come from 3 into 1 into 6, 1 by 6. That 1 by 6 is A's 1 day's work. Okay, 3 by 6, and similarly 3 into 1 by 8, 3 by 8, and similarly C 3 into 1 by 24, 3 by 24. From that, the ratio is 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8 is to 1 by 8. We need to calculate the C's payment. So 3200 is multiplied by 1 by 8. So the answer is 400. Okay, we will go to next example. Okay, this type of example is very important. Okay, now A takes twice as much as time, B or thrice as much time as C to finish a piece of work. Working together, they can finish the work in 2 days. In B can do the work alone in what days? Okay, we need to find B can do work alone in what days. Okay, now from given A is equal to 2B, A is days of working of A. Okay, here A is equal to 2B and B is equal to A by 2, and A is equal to 3C. From that, C is equal to A by 3, where A comma B comma C are working days of A comma B comma C respectively. Okay, and they work together to finish a work in 2 days. Then we go the formulas. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, from the formulas we get this equation. Substitute the above values. 1 by A plus 2 by A plus 3 by A is equal to 1 by 2. From that, A is equal to 12 days. So B is nothing but 6. Okay, so B can do the work alone in 6 days. So these are the examples for time and work, and this is very important concept for staff selection exams and bank exams. I think you got some knowledge about the time and work. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.